Hi guys, this is Adrienne and this is today's 2-minute vocal tip. This is one that is a great exercise for places that you need to be quiet because it's just not a loud exercise. It is a tiny, puny little exercise that sets you up to not have a break, to have your vocal cords connected to each other really well across your whole range. It looks and sounds silly, but man, does it work. It goes something like this. Sometimes I call it the happy baby because people can find it by going and kind of imitating that sound of a baby just being super happy. It really does help to stick your tongue out. Once you figure it out, you can put your tongue back in your mouth, but it really helps to stick your tongue out because you want that sound to be up above the roof of your mouth and you don't want your tongue to be retracting and getting bigger in the back, especially in the back of your mouth. People get really tight when they try this exercise with their tongue in their mouth a lot of times. And we're gonna go really high on this one. Let's start here. Here we go. And a note here, you wanna make sure that you're getting into your face, not We're gonna go nastier the better. The nastier the better. Pitchy. Tiny. High enough. Well, my voice came back. Anyway, I know that was a little longer than usual, but I am a true believer in that exercise. That's a really good one for finding your mix. All right, see you guys in the next one.